Have you ever wondered how much of modern science is indebted to the contributions of Muslim scientists from the Islamic Golden Age? Our story begins in the 8th century, a time that marked the genesis of an era known as the Islamic Golden Age. This was a period of remarkable scientific thought and innovation that lasted until the 13th century. Muslim scholars, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a deep reverence for knowledge, embarked on intellectual journeys that led to significant discoveries and advancements in various fields of science. Their passion for understanding the intricacies of the world around them was not merely a pursuit of knowledge for its own sake. Their explorations were rooted in a profound sense of purpose and a sincere desire to contribute to the betterment of humankind. They believed that knowledge was a gift to be shared, a tool to improve the human condition, and a path to spiritual enlightenment. Astronomy, mathematics, medicine, physics, and optics, no realm of scientific inquiry was beyond their reach. They looked up to the stars and charted the movements of celestial bodies. They delved into the complexities of numbers and laid the groundwork for modern algebra. They explored the human body and made significant advancements in medicine. They studied the properties of light and sound and made groundbreaking contributions to the fields of physics and optics. These weren't just theoretical musings. Their scientific explorations led to practical applications that have had a lasting impact on our world. Their innovative ideas and discoveries laid the foundations for many of the scientific principles and technologies we take for granted today. So who were these scientific pioneers? What drove them to push the boundaries of what was known and venture into the unknown? And most importantly, what did they discover? Let us embark on a journey through time to discover these scientific pioneers and their significant contributions. We'll explore the lives and works of these remarkable individuals, and in doing so, we'll uncover the profound impact they've had on the world of science and beyond. And who knows? We might just discover that the roots of modern science run deeper and reach farther back in time than we ever imagined. As we look up to the night sky, let's remember the Muslim astronomers who gave us a deeper understanding of the cosmos. This journey of discovery was spearheaded by scholars during the Islamic Golden Age, a period of intellectual enlightenment from the 8th to the 13th centuries. One such figure was al-Battani, a renowned scholar who lived between the years 858 to 929. His passion for the cosmos drove him to compile astronomical data with remarkable precision. Al-Battani's meticulous work enabled him to refine astronomical instruments, improving our capability to observe and understand the celestial bodies around us. His contributions are still evident today, as his methods laid the groundwork for advancements in modern astronomy. Moving forward into the 12th century, we encounter Abdurrahman al-Ghaznawi. This remarkable scholar authored a comprehensive treatise on astronomy. His work was so detailed, it included descriptions of astronomical instruments and the various celestial phenomena observed in the cosmos. Al-Ghaznawi's work didn't just stop at descriptions. He went a step further by developing accurate trigonometric tables, which significantly improved the calculation of planetary orbits and the prediction of lunar and solar eclipses. These Muslim astronomers, like many of their contemporaries during the Islamic Golden Age, were driven by an insatiable curiosity and a deep reverence for knowledge. They dedicated their lives to the study of the cosmos, meticulously charting the movements of celestial bodies and even discovering new constellations. Their dedication and perseverance have had a lasting impact on the field of astronomy. Their work formed the bedrock for future explorations of the cosmos, enabling the scientific community to reach new heights and make groundbreaking discoveries. Their observations and calculations paved the way for future astronomical discoveries. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let's remember the pioneering Muslim astronomers whose contributions have made our journey of discovery possible. Mathematics, the universal language, was significantly enriched by the contributions of Muslim mathematicians. The Islamic Golden Age was a time of extraordinary intellectual activity, with scholars across the Islamic world seeking to broaden human understanding of the natural world. This pursuit of knowledge led to substantial breakthroughs in various scientific fields, and mathematics was no exception. Let's take a moment to appreciate the contributions of two such scholars, Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi and Omar Khayyam. Al-Khwarizmi, who lived from around the late 8th to the mid-9th century, was a polymath who made significant strides in many areas of knowledge. However, he is perhaps best known for his monumental work on algebra. His systematic methods of solving linear and quadratic equations laid the groundwork for modern algebraic notation. Al-Khwarizmi also introduced the concept of algorithms, a term that is derived from his name. These algorithms are fundamental to computational mathematics and underpin much of today's digital world. Now let's turn our attention to Omar Khayyam, an extraordinary mathematician and poet who lived during the 11th and 12th centuries. Khayyam made significant strides in geometry, particularly in the classification and solution of cubic equations. His work on the intersection of conic sections and the theory of proportions established him as one of the preeminent mathematicians of his time. Khayyam's contributions to trigonometry, particularly his work on the binomial theorem and the compilation of trigonometric tables, were also groundbreaking. These two scholars, among many others during the Islamic Golden Age, expanded the realm of mathematical knowledge. They introduced new concepts and techniques, from algebraic equations to geometric principles. Their work was not confined to the Islamic world, but spread across continents and centuries, influencing scholars in Europe and beyond. Their innovative mathematical methods continue to be foundational to modern mathematics. The work of these Muslim mathematicians is a testament to their intellectual prowess and their enduring legacy. It underpins much of our understanding of the mathematical world today, from the equations we use to solve problems to the algorithms that drive our digital age. Medicine, a field that has saved countless lives, was significantly developed during the Islamic Golden Age. Two figures stand out in this era: Abu Bakr al-Razi and Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna. Their contributions were not just groundbreaking, but they reshaped the practice of medicine. Abu Bakr al-Razi, born in the mid-9th century, was a polymath who made extensive contributions to medicine, pharmacology, and philosophy. His intellect was as vast as his curiosity, and he devoted his life to the pursuit of knowledge. A significant part of his work revolved around the establishment of hospitals, which became centers of medical excellence. These institutions were the forerunners of our modern hospitals, providing comprehensive healthcare services to patients. But Abu Bakr al-Razi's contributions didn't stop there. He was also a pioneer in surgical techniques, pushing the boundaries of medical science. His innovative methods and approaches to surgery played a significant role in improving patient care and outcomes. His magnum opus, the Comprehensive Book in Medicine, was a monumental work that compiled medical knowledge of the time. This comprehensive medical encyclopedia became the cornerstone of medical knowledge for centuries, shaping the practice of medicine for generations to come. On the other hand, Ibn Sina, born towards the end of the 10th century, was another influential figure in the field of medicine. His work, The Canon of Medicine, was a medical text that remained a standard for over 500 years. This exhaustive work on medicine incorporated knowledge from Greek, Persian, and Indian sources, consolidating it with his own meticulous observations and insights. Ibn Sina's canon covered every aspect of medicine, from anatomy and physiology to diagnosis and treatment. His work was revered across the globe, and it laid the groundwork for modern medical practice. The contributions of both Abu Bakr al-Razi and Ibn Sina revolutionized the field of medicine. They established a scientific, evidence-based approach to healthcare that continues to inform medical practice even today. Their work revolutionized medical practice and continues to inform modern medicine. The world of physics and optics was illuminated by the contributions of Muslim scientists. Ibn al-Haytham, born in the 10th century, is a name that stands out in this domain. Often hailed as the father of optics, his pioneering experiments on light and vision were nothing short of revolutionary. Ibn al-Haytham challenged the prevailing Greek theories of optics, presenting a new understanding of how we see. Instead of the ancient belief that our eyes emit rays of light to perceive objects, he proposed that we see when light rays bounce off objects and enter our eyes. This groundbreaking insight laid the foundation for our modern understanding of vision and light. But Ibn al-Haytham's contributions didn't stop there. He introduced the concept of the camera obscura, a precursor to the modern camera. He explained the phenomenon of refraction, the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another. He also delved into the properties of lenses and mirrors, broadening our understanding of their interaction with light. Across the same timeline, another Muslim scholar, al-Biruni, was making significant strides in the field of physics. Born in the 10th century, al-Biruni's work touched upon several aspects of mechanics, a branch of physics dealing with the behavior of physical bodies when subjected to forces. Al-Biruni studied the concepts of motion and gravity, providing a more nuanced understanding of these fundamental aspects of our physical universe. He delved into the dynamics of falling bodies, a topic that would later be central to the work of scientists like Galileo and Newton. The contributions of these Muslim scientists were transformative. They provided us with a deeper understanding of the physical world, from the behavior of light and the process of vision to the fundamental principles of mechanics. Their insights shed light on the fundamental properties of our physical world. The legacy of the Muslim scientists from the Islamic Golden Age is vast and influential. This era, spanning from the 8th to the 13th centuries, was a time of profound intellectual curiosity and rigorous scientific exploration. Muslim scholars, driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge, made groundbreaking contributions across multiple scientific disciplines. Their work not only shaped the scientific landscape of their time, but also laid the foundation for many modern scientific concepts. In the realm of astronomy, Muslim astronomers made considerable strides in understanding the cosmos. They refined astronomical instruments, developed accurate trigonometric tables, and charted the movements of celestial bodies with remarkable precision. Their work led to the discovery of new constellations, the calculation of planetary orbits, and the prediction of lunar and solar eclipses. In mathematics, Muslim mathematicians introduced the concept of zero, developed sophisticated algorithms for arithmetic and algebra, and laid the groundwork for trigonometry and calculus. Their work revolutionized the field, introducing systematic methods for solving equations and establishing the foundation for modern algebraic notation. In the field of medicine, Muslim physicians made substantial advances, establishing hospitals, developing new surgical techniques, and compiling comprehensive medical encyclopedias. Their work, such as the Comprehensive Book in Medicine by Abu Bakr al-Razi and the Canon of Medicine by Ibn Sina, remained cornerstone texts of medical knowledge for centuries. In physics and optics, Muslim scientists like Ibn al-Haytham and al-Biruni made significant contributions. They conducted pioneering experiments on light and vision, proposed the concept of the camera obscura, explained the phenomenon of refraction, and investigated the properties of lenses and mirrors. They deepened our understanding of mechanics, including the study of motion, gravity, and the dynamics of falling bodies. The contributions of these Muslim scientists were truly transformative. They were not just scholars of their time, they were pioneers who blazed trails for subsequent generations of thinkers and explorers. Their work transcends cultural and temporal boundaries, reminding us of the universal nature of scientific inquiry. Their legacy is a testament to the transformative potential of curiosity, knowledge, and scientific exploration.